did you literally practice to become comfortable with this stuff? And if you had to advise people who are listening, what is the most efficient way for them to learn this? What would your advice be?
First of all, you have to love it. Just doing it without the heart not being behind it all is not gonna come out. You kind of have to have the idea what you want to achieve with the practice with this. And the other thing would be, just, it's countless hours of spending time with the instrument and just searching, recording yourself. Nowadays it's so easy with our phones, just, spending time, the things that just searching, it wasn't perfect. I would go back to it. I think it's so important to have your brain, your fingers, and your heart together every time when you play, and just hearing yourself in third person in a way. Checking also your sound, your time, also like how do you even touch the piano. Yeah, but like listening to the music, and for every piano player, I would recommend also starting to learn how to play Hammond organ, because it really opens so much in harmonical sense, like, just even 2-5-1, 2-5-1, finding these like different voicings where you can go, because like so many nice chords are not rooted, just like, I can play like, it's a nice voicing. And then going, but it's always this, or it can be also dominant.
Beautiful.
Just listening as much music, but that kind of music, being as open as possible, just, and always learning, being naked and honest with yourself. This is like, I don't know this, I want to get better. Like, whenever we play music, whenever we practice, like, everybody has egos, obviously. We all have like dark sides and light sides, but we have to face them and be very, very honest with ourselves. It all comes out in the music as well. Just always practice and work with a purpose. What do I want to achieve? I want to sound more like Herbie, or I want to sound more like, Cedric Rosen, or Wendell Loeb, or Corey Henry, or whatever, like, to have like, or Taylor Ice-T, But there is always like this, the appetite, the need that I want. It's like, and if it comes from the right place, then in a month you will play already much better.
Beautiful, man. I love it.